Hello everyone, today I will introduce with you a wonderful Figma plugin which is very useful if you are a UI UX designer. So the plugin is Flex. The plugin name is Flex. So I'm just open this plugin and it's running to open it. So it's loading. I'm just waiting for that. Okay, after click the plugin, your plugin takes time to open it. So this is the plugin. If you are looking for any country's flags, then I think this plugin will be very useful to you. Suppose you need uh, Antarctica plugin, then you have to click here and your plugin, this is the plugin. And if you need other countries plugin like Bangladesh, then just type here, then just click here, and here you see Bosnia plugin, this is, and here you see Belgium plugin. So all countries flag uh, are here in this plugin. If you are looking for square plugin, then you have to click square. I'm just clicking it, and after that you have to click here square. Okay, I'm just clicking it, but I don't see the plugin. What's the problem behind it? I don't know. So okay, this is the plugin, this is the flag. So if you are looking for Algeria plugin, here you see. And if you are looking for any other countries like United States, then you have to type United, and here you see the United States of America plugin. So if you are looking for a square plugin of United States, then you have to click here, and after that you have to click here. If you are looking for rectangle plugin, then you have to click here, and after that you have to click here. So if you are looking for United Kingdom plugin, you have to click here. So by this plugin you can find all countries of this world plugin. So I think this is very useful for UI UX designer. Let me know if you want to know any other plugin uses, so that I can make video about that plugin. And I request you to subscribe my YouTube channel so that I will be motivated to record this type of video. And also feel free to share your feedback so that I can improve my video record quality or other things. So thank you very much for your time.